This is a Chromonica 2 Deluxe. Case in not great condition, but okay condition. At least exists. A lot of these come without a case. The original music inside. Here's how the harmonica looks. The slider works. Oops, wrong side. I'm going to play through all the holes for you. There's no missing hole. It is a little bit leaky. So this one probably needs some work. So it's relatively well tuned. It is playable, but it's, again, kind of leaky. I don't know if you can see it here. There's a couple little bumps in here from where the plate is pressed against the supports. But overall, this is in pretty good condition. It looks nice. Be a good addition to your collection.